coming to the administrator, the things is like it's a configuration part. Okay, like the screenshots, whatever it may be, dependent on that configuration part. Coming to the development part, it is no configuration part, it's entirely logics, everything. Like no need of navigating any screens. When you can understand these things, if you practice means you can understand. If you are not practicing means nothing, it will become blank. Yeah, I'm saying again, if you practice means it will be more easy than compared to configuration part. If you did not practice means it will be more difficult than admin part. Yeah. Yes, it will be as like a complexity, and it will get some torture like that if you did not practice. Yeah, from scratch onwards. I'm saying again, I'm requesting everyone to practice day to day everything. At least I think it may take some 30 minutes. Like because I'm providing the codes. Just you need to go to the developer console and you need to perform the actions. Is it? Is it Arvind, Ashok, Snehal? Everything I'm saying. What you need to do, yes,
Okay.
it may take less time as compared to the development part. It may take less time, but if you practice it may take less time. Just you need to click on file, new apex class, and you can like write the logic, at least see and write it. Okay, when you see and write it, then you can find some errors. When you find the errors, okay, this is errors we got, how to rectify, then we think, and we'll compare the code whatever I given on the thing, you whatever you written. Okay, after that practice, then in future you will write with your own. Okay, means how, like it practice makes step by step, step by step, step by step. I'm saying again, everyone please practice. If you practiced only, it will be good. If you did not practice means it will be as like it's like an IAS exam, like very difficult increases. If you practice means day to day, it will be more easy. Yeah, more easy. That is the thing. I seen the difference. As for my experience, I seen the difference on this particular Apex LWC, whatever it may practice. Practice makes to crack the things easily. And Pooja, Swapna, am I audible? Pooja, Swapna, Swati,
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Venkat.
and your friend Jyoti. Like I think she is also practiced day by day, day by day. Yeah, she got placed after completion of the course. She got placed in Cognizant, and also she got opportunities in Capgemini, and also good opportunities. Yeah, because she used to practice regularly. She taken some time, like half an hour or 45 minutes, like that at least. Like she got placed like that. Everyone will place. Yeah, she's also from non-IT background. She's placed. Yeah, with good package. Everyone will place. Yeah, it's not very difficult. Everyone will place, but needs practice. Day to day things. Everyone need practice. Everyone needs practice. That's it. Okay. Like if you practice it yesterday class, it will be easy. At least I'm requesting today even practice. Okay. Everyone will practice and send me the screenshots in the group. Just send it. Take the screenshot and send it. Because if you practice now, if you got some issue, I will help you. I'm there to help you. That is the thing I'm expecting. I'm expecting everyone, just everyone to, after completion of the class, everyone need to settle. Okay, like everyone need to get the job opportunities. That is the thing I'm expecting. Yeah. What I discussed in yesterday class, Swapna. What I discussed in yesterday class, Swapna.
Variable data
So,
types. Apex.
yeah, I discussed, and also I discussed about S object data types. Okay.
Yes,
S object data types also I discussed.
it's
Like I
primitive data
discussed,
type, non-primitive data.
and yes, of course, I discussed these things. Like it is a style one. Okay, like to insert the data, you can do like this. Okay, it's a style one to insert the data. Like whatever the things I'm discussing, everything it will be helpful. Okay, that's why if you practice now means it will be very easy when we are discussing. Added some more logic in this in future upcoming classes. Okay, like the same thing you can do it. Style two. As object name, you can give the variable name anything. Okay, style to how you can do it, the same thing. Just you can follow any of the thing, either second approach or the first approach or second approach. account ACC, variable name anything. Okay, I'm giving ACC2 as a variable name. Either you can follow first approach or second approach. Okay, like here in the first approach, okay, okay, the mostly will follow the first approach only. Why? For example, if you take ACC dot, we got all the, you can able to see. Everyone able to see, we got all the fields. We got all the fields. In this particular object, what are the fields are there? Okay, we will get all the fields. But coming to the second approach, we will not get like that. Okay, we need to give manually. Okay, name like Snehal, we need to give manually, and we need to give manually. You need to go to setup, navigate to object manager, navigate to account. You need to give the manually all these things. Okay, like whatever you need to give manually. Copy this API name. This is nothing but a field name. You need to give phone, like this. You need to give manually. But there we'll get all the things. Mostly that's why we'll approach the style one only instead of style two when you're inserting the data, whatever it may be. Only for practice purpose, I'm saying the two things. And website, like this you need to. Like salesforce.com. Now I'm inserting this particular account too. I'm inserting this account too. Insert ACC2. Pooja, why I got this error at 28th line? For example, if any errors, okay, we got like this. Why I got this particular error? Unexpected token insert. Why I got this error? Any reason? Just to think here, I missed a semicolon. See, I missed a semicolon. That's why it raised some error. Yeah. Let us see. Now the two records will be inserted. Praveen record will be inserted, and also if you want to print system.debug of ACC2. Okay, after inserting the record, immediately that record will be stored under the Salesforce database. Okay, because I used insert DML operation. Then immediately the data will be shown under the debug logs because I used the system.debug statement. Let me try to see it. Everyone able to understand what I'm showing? Everyone able to understand what I'm showing?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, yes, Venkat.
Yeah. Okay, and another thing, don't feel fear. Coding is easy only if you practiced. Again, I'm saying this many times. I'm saying, okay. Sorry for this. This many times I'm saying means my expectation is everyone need to practice. Everyone need to well versed on these things. Leave fear. First of all, leave the fear. Okay. Everyone able to see. I got name, phone, and also their account ID. Okay, of these particular Snehal because I used the system.debug of entire records ACC2 entire records. This is the record has been inserted successfully. You can check under the backend whether my record has been got or not. Navigate to account object. Let me try to go to our designation education and destination education. You can navigate to the account object. Yes, everyone able to see the Snehal record?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, Venkat.
The record has been inserted successfully. Even we can do with custom objects also. Like our for our designation education application, like we created different types of custom objects like hiring manager position. Like this, we created different types of custom objects. Previously, I inserted records for standard objects. Even I can insert the records for custom object also. Kindly please follow the style one. Okay, just only for practice purpose I told you the style two. Okay, like let me try to insert a records for hiring manager object. Hiring manager object. Yeah, so navigate to your things, navigate to your object manager. Yes, search for hiring manager, search for hiring manager. This is the record. I think hiring manager 14 I place. Let me try to go to the hiring manager 14. Yeah. What is my API name? What is my API name, Pooja? What is my API name? Shravani. What is my API name? Shravani is not there. I hope so.
Hiring manager 14.
14.
Yes, yes. Let me try to copy the hiring manager 14. Okay. So you can able to see inside the hiring manager 14, we have different types of fields. If you mention HR dot, you'll get all the fields. If you did not. See, I got all the fields or not? HR name. Okay, Priyanka. Just I'm storing all the details. HR dot. Location. Okay, location. We have location pick list. I'm mentioning as like a Hyderabad. And we have HR dot. So what are the other things that there? Designation. So I think created some pick list values. Designation. You can copy this. I think where is designation? You can go to the hiring manager object. You can click on new. You can able to see what are the fields. Values are presented. But in real time, that from the LWC component, will receive the data to the Apex class. Cancel.
That one request.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Creating the hiring manager, right, which is HR object. Can you please not give the mandatory field and try to create the object?
If you did not given, that means we will get the DML exception. I'll show you. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to see
Yeah.
how.
Yeah, Java developer. Okay. Yeah, it will get. I told about exception on that time. I'll discuss that things. But let me try to show you. No worries. Let me try to show you. When I'm explaining the exceptions concept, I want to give that. Yeah, insert HR. Okay, just imagine if I did not insert it like this thing. Okay, this is a mandatory field. HR name is mandatory or not? When you're creating the record of the hiring manager object, HR name is a mandatory field, but you did not fill any records. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window, Apex class 1 dot method 1. Okay, click on execute. Everyone able to see I got some DML exception. Insert
Yeah.
field, required field is missing. Yeah. Email is a required field, the contact number is a required field. Okay, there are different required fields are there. They are missing. That's why it is not accepting the data. Priyanka@gmail.com. And also I want to discuss about okay email and hr.email and what is other things email designation phone. Okay, now let me try to now I discuss. Let me try to remove. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Click on execute button. Now three records will be inserted. Hiring manager, two accounts. I think I did not play system.debug. If you play system.debug, then only the records. Again, if you executed two times Priyanka, previously one Priyanka, now another Priyanka record also will be created. Click on open execute anonymous window. Click on execute button. Click on debug only. Everyone able to see the records? Priyanka record with the ID it is representing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pooja, Swapna, everyone understanding?
Can you increase the size?
Pooja. No, the size is not increased. I'm expecting. Yeah, I'll check it. I'll check it. I think for LWC, Lightning Studio it will be extended, but here it will not be extended. Is the size is not visible? I think let me check it.
It is visible, but it's hard to focus on.
Okay, I'll verify it. Okay, I think is it possible to increase?
And I joined a bit
Size.
late. Did recording start on time?
Yes, recording has been started. Please observe the recording. Okay. Yes, you can increase. Control plus. Let's see. Yeah. Everyone able to see? Font size is not increasing. That is only increasing.
It will increase only the zoom in, zoom
Hmm?
out. It's only zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, it is clear. You can see.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me try to. You can see the hiring manager record. You can go to hiring manager record. So recently I created some Priyanka hiring manager record. You can able to observe the Priyanka hiring manager record. Yes. Everyone able to see the Priyanka hiring manager record? Contact number, location. Everyone able to see the
Yes.
Priyanka hiring manager record? Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah.
But Venkat, can you
Eh,
see HR0055 once you do that system.debug or insert count?
you can able to see. You can able to see the HR ID. Okay. Yes. You can able to type system.debug of HR ID something. Okay.
No, no, not like this.
Hmm. Inserting you're
You
asking?
yes, yes. Don't write this. Maybe after executing, can you see HR number under the execution?
Yeah. Under execution it will not be show. Okay, like it will be automatically increased when you place the HR ID means it will be able to show. It will show only the ID. Okay.
Okay, okay.
If you need HR ID means you need to enter the data. Okay. It is an automated value. Yeah. It is an ID. HR ID. It will show. It is not showing.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone able to understand this particular hiring manager object inside this particular information. Any queries on this? Any queries to anyone? Any queries to anyone? I think need some practice. Okay, if you practiced, ask your queries. I think tomorrow is a Friday. There is a class. Ask your queries tomorrow. Okay. This
Venkat,
weekend I want. Yes, please.
in the 31 line, we
Mm.
have used hiring manager 14 underscore C, right?
Yeah.
So this is the object name, or I mean, you have taken API name, right? So
API name and object name both are same.
both are same, right? Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Object name is hiring manager 14. API name hyphen C. That's it. No changes.
Okay. Okay.
If it says standard object, account and account both are same. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let me try to discuss some more other things. Okay, I'm giving the assignment. Assignment will be displayed in your notepad files. Okay, I hope I uploaded notepad files. Today I'll update other things also, assignments. And assignment answers I'll not give. I have assignment answers, but I'll give you later. I'll give you later. Yeah, I will show the assignment. Give me 1 minute. I will share my screen. Assignment answers I will share it, but I'll share it after because you will practice. You will think. Okay, you will think. That is my expectation from everyone. 1 minute, team. Hello, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
I can
Yes,
hear you.
Venkat.
Okay, I'll give you
Yes, Venkat.
the assignment questions. I discussed some S object data types, no? So kindly please do it. Write an Apex program. Easy only, but need practice on the things whatever I discussed. Then you can able to do is insert contact records and write an Apex program to insert opportunity records. Write an Apex program. In the notepad file, it will be presented. After completion of everyday class, I'll provide, to insert lead records. At least the required values inside the candidate object. Okay, not if you have validation means deactivate it. Or insert the records based on the validation rules. Okay, based on the validation rules, insert it. Okay, just you need to do all these things. Everyone will do this assignment. Everyone will do this assignment.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, please do it. Okay, like when you practiced only, then only you'll get. I'm saying again. Okay, please practice this assignment. First of all, the first agenda is practice the yesterday class and today's class. After practicing these things, then you can go to the assignment and practice these things. Then you can able to understand. Otherwise, it's difficult. Yeah, either it's from IT background, non-IT background, any backgrounds, anything. Practice makes the perfect. Yeah, any background. Like I discussed about variables. Like variables are nothing but okay, it's like value whatever it may be, you need to assign. This is a data type. Okay, this is a data type, this is a variable. You can give the any of the variable. Okay, we can define multiple variables. Yeah, like this is a variable and this is a value. For example, in your Apex code, just imagine in your Apex code you're using so many integers. Okay, so many variables. Okay, so we need to declare it starting. Okay, integer. For example, integer I'm using customer age and string customer name. Like we need to declare, and also we have like a designation of that customer. Like this, we need to declare. It is nothing but multiple variables will be declared. Remember, multiple variables. This is a variable. Variable must be anything. Data type must be based on your field name, whatever it may be. You need to represent. Okay, number it should be integer, text it should be string. Okay, and mostly 90% only integer and string. Remember these 2 points. And currency is decimal. Remember these points. Remember these points. like I given some assignments. No, Pooja, you'll do it after completion. You'll start the practice. Pooja, Swapna,
Yes,
Swati,
Venkat.
Harsha, Sirisha. Sirisha, after
Yes,
completion of
Venkat.
that, Sirisha, yeah, yeah, Harsha. I think Harsha is there.
Yes.
Yes, Harsha. Like hope you had been registered like
Vedant.
for the course. Yes. Like our team had been told me. Like I think you did not receive the access for the drive and also WhatsApp group. We will add you quickly. Yeah, after completion of the class, Harsha. Yes. This is a thing. Mostly by tomorrow they will change the link. Like if any people are not registered, like the people who joined development newly, okay, then you can contact your coordinators. The people who joined newly to the today's class, I mean that not joined admin or started with the development, yeah, first like contact with your coordinators, whatever it may be. Let's see some more other things. Okay. Yeah, before discussing these constants, what is constants first of all? Okay, like constants can be defined using the final keyword. So what is final? Just study once, at least once. Okay, like whenever, like for example, if you are playing game, okay, just imagine you opened some game inside your Play Store. Like there should be some fixed thing is like maximum items three. Like for example, if you failed in three items, immediately you will lock. Again, you need to start with the first. Anyone observed? Like it's a fixed things. And also another thing is like when you're giving some passwords, like on the username and password, like for example if you attempted more than three times or minimum three times, it will not be accepted. Like minimum three times, like then after 24 hours it will be coming for some websites. Anyone observed this? Anyone observed?
Yes, yes, right.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yeah, okay. On that particular scenarios, okay, on that particular scenarios, you need to use a final keyword. Okay, when you're declaring the variables, just remember, study once and remember. Okay, that's it. In your future, if it's sometimes it is used, sometimes it is not used. Just only for your remembrance purpose, some things I'm saying. Okay, just when you're declaring the variable, remember. For example, remember that's it. We will provide it. Don't buy it. Just remember once at least. Final keyword. Okay, so final is a keyword, it is a data type, and also it is a value. Okay, yeah, just remember. And let us explain some more other examples on operators, arithmetic operators, and relational operators like this. Let's see. Okay, and I'm saying again, like anyone are feeling difficulty by seeing all these things? Anyone are feeling difficulty by seeing all these things?
No, Venkat.
Some, yeah, someone from non-IT background or anyone. Okay, no worries, Harsha. Yeah. Anyone are feeling difficult, don't worry, okay, don't worry, it's easy only. And you can think, sir know about all these things, that's why it is easy. No, it is easy if you practiced. Swapna, Pooja, Swati, and anyone, Naveen, Prakash, Caroline. Am I audible to everyone? As compared to yesterday, anyone observed the difference on today's class as compared to yesterday? Anyone observed the difference? Yesterday, I hope everyone feel very difficult as compared to yesterday class. Today, somewhat. Okay, and like because the same screens you observed. Is it Swapna?
Yes, Venkat.
Swapna, do you find it any difference compared to yesterday and today's class? No difference. Like on the
Little
logics
bit
or whatever it
now,
may be.
yeah, a little bit understand.
Yes, same it will be. Why it will be? Because you attended yesterday class, you observed it, just you think it and you replied me and you listened it. I think if you practice means you'll get 100 percentage. Yeah, that is the thing. Same year, okay. It's easy only if you listen the things and if you practice and if you applied the things. The same. Like this, if you continue the next 10 days classes, everyone will become perfect in this development. Somewhat feels easy. Yeah. And I'm saying again, no one is writing the code 100% code in the real time. They will take the codes from Google as per the requirement. They will apply it. They will modify it. To apply and modify it, we need to know the logics, and also we need to know where you need to apply, which things you need to copy, all these particular things. If you practice in now means if you done the things, then you'll get to know the things easily. Okay. Let me try to discuss about operators. Like we have different types of operators, like arithmetic operators, relational operators, and we have different types of operators like assignment operators, increment operators, like this. I will open the calculator. Let us explain arithmetic operators. Okay, 1, 4 plus 7. Click on is equal to. It is a front end part. Yeah. Swapna, how it is calculating 11? How it is calculating? Just if you enter the data on the front end part, immediately I'm getting the data. How it is understanding? As a backend developer, they written some of the code. Okay, like for example, if it's plus means addition. I think we know this. Plus means addition. Minus means
Yes.
subtraction. Into means multiplications. Okay. Like if it's a mod, okay, if you want to get reminder, you need to remember these functions. Okay, math.mod. Don't by head practice once. Okay, then you'll get the things. And relational operators. I will take examples. Relational operators. Like you can able to know. Like for example, if you declared integer a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Sirisha, it's a less than b or a greater than b? A less than b or a greater than b?
A less than B.
Okay, like
Venkat, we lost your voice.
is it any internet issue? Oh, okay. Screen share off. I don't know the reason. No. Okay, like I think now it's my screen is visible. Now my screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Venkat,
Now
yeah.
screen is visible and
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
audible
yes.
also.
Yeah, and another point is the people who are know about all these particular things, they will feel somewhat bored. Okay, don't feel bored for the next 5 to 6 days. Okay, like everyone need to understand the basics now. That's why I'm explaining all these things. Later on, we'll go with some advanced level, intermediate level. Then we'll go to advanced level. Okay, to learn this particular intermediate and advanced level, these are all the things you need to know, like objects, how to bulk records creation, everything. Yeah, if else statements, all these particular things. That's why I'm discussing all these particular things in the starting classes. Okay, like a less than or equal to b. So means it will verify is 10 less than or equal to 20. Yes, of course. 10 is not equal to 20, but 10 is less than 20. Okay, like this. Then we have different assignment operators. Less than or equal to, like this. And logical operators. What is logical operators? There are three logical operators are there. And or not. Okay, what is it? For example, as per the requirement, the client asked me to retrieve the records where industry is equal to banking and annual revenue is, for example, okay, inside the account, we have not rating type and industry or industry and annual revenue. Okay, I need to get the records, okay, where industry is equal to banking and annual revenue is greater than 20,000. Okay, like means both conditions I need to match. Both conditions I need to match. Okay, like I need to write account dot industry is equal to banking and and will be represented like this or like this. Anything, no worries. Both conditions I need to match. Account dot annual revenue is greater than 40,000. Means both conditions I need to match, then only I'll retrieve the account records. Only these both conditions are matching, then I'll retrieve the account records. Okay, both conditions. And means both conditions need to match. Or means at least one condition. At least one condition. Either if it's a banking or annual revenue. If any condition satisfied, we can retrieve the records. If any condition satisfied, or means any one of the condition. And means both conditions need to be satisfied, or means any one of the condition. Okay, and not means it's a like reverse means expect warm, I'll get all the records. Expect warm, I'll get all the records. Okay, expect warm, I'll get the hot as well as a cold records. See, for example, if account dot rating is not equal to warm, okay, then not equal to, not means reverse, whatever your condition is applied, reverse. Everyone able to understand? Not Prakash, Swapna,
Yes,
Pooja.
ma'am.
Okay, what is the not, Pooja? What is the use of not? What is the use of not? The people who are not telling lies, I want to retrieve the records. Like the people who whose rating is not equal to warm, okay, I need to retrieve that appropriate account records and need to send that information like this. So
So
when we
whenever we are
apply this in
applying not, we need to apply it in the parentheses, brackets. Is it?
not parentheses, just normal I shown you. Like
How about that
everywhere
symbol?
here, yeah, here everywhere you can apply the parentheses. Okay, if statement I did not explain, inside the, it is a condition, it's a condition. When I'm explaining if and statements, I'll explain some more. It is a condition. Okay, this is a condition. And this is a condition. I'll explain
Venkat,
one
for
by.
or
Yes,
we'll
please.
use two slashes and two ends
That's it.
operators.
That's it. Correct. Exactly correct. Yeah. Remember the syntax. Okay, everyone.
Two
Remember.
two
These are
pipe
the
symbols,
syntactical
right?
practice. Remember. Yeah.
Sorry.
Two unsymbols. Two unsymbols. Exactly. It's correct. Okay. Or means two things. These symbols. Or you can use like this also. Without using, you can use like this also. Anything is same. Both are same, but in mostly in real time or wherever it may be, we can use like this. It will be easy for us. For representation purpose, it will be easy. Okay. Let's see, increment or decrement. Okay, increment and decrement will not use, but mostly first three only will use. Mostly not 100%. Okay, for example, if it's a customer code I declared as 1001. If you want to increment means it will be incremented with 1. Okay, if it's a plus plus. 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 Like whatever it may be, if you declared as a plus plus, it will be incremented to 1. Like it will be incremented to 1. For example, if it's a minus minus, if it's a minus
Are
minus,
you
it
right?
will be. I'm not writing. I'm not writing. For example, if it's 1, okay, if you incremented customer code plus plus, what will be happen? What is the output, Swapna? Snehal. What is the output, Snehal?
Plus two.
2. Yeah. What is the output? Customer code minus minus. What is the output
Plus
here? Huh?
13.
Minus minus. Yes, exactly. It is correct. Okay. Like this. Remember this point at least after completion of the class. If you study it means you'll get the things in your mind. Like then after that you'll start the practice. Then you'll get some 60 to 70% of practice. again if you practice it twice, and again if you practice it thrice, then you'll be perfect. Okay, as like an experienced person. That's it. Why the experienced person can say the things easily? Because he applied so many things. Okay, he applied the same things multiple times. That's the experienced person. Experience in terms of practice. Okay, mostly I want to define experience in terms of practice. Okay, the people who practice it, the people who started the practice, okay, they will become experienced, definitely. Assignment operators. Okay, let us see the assignment operators. Assignment operators are nothing but, for example, okay, there are different types of assignment operators. Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into is equal to. I'll tell you. Okay, for example, if you define integer, your balance is equal to 2000. Okay, for example, just imagine if you deposited in your account, if you deposited 10,000. Now, what is your balance? What is your balance?
12,000.
Yeah, balance plus is equal to, like you can able to find out here. I written. Okay, it will be different. Plus is equal to balance is equal to like balance plus 1000. Previously, how much balance I have? Previously, how much balance I have?
2000.
2000.
2000 plus 10,000. 12,000. Okay, 2,000 plus 10,000, 12,000. So this is the thing. Okay, just it's a plus. Plus is equal to assigning the rate. If it's a minus, okay, balance minus is equal to 4,000. What is my current balance now? 12,000. Balance is equal to balance minus 4,000. What is my output now? What is my output?
8,000.
Yes. Why 12,000 minus 4,000? 8,000. This is a thing. Like this we need to. Hope everyone able to understand exactly what are the things I'm saying. Like just normally I given. For example, if it's a C programming printf, no need to remember. Just only I written C out. Okay, in Apex program we'll use system.debug. Every programming language has unique constraint. In Apex programming we'll use system.debug. In Apex programming we'll use system.debug. Okay, let us write the Apex programming. Write an Apex program to define the variables and print the values. They are saying that okay, I need to create an Apex programming. Okay, just I need to print the values on the log files. Everyone able to understand the first use case? Pooja, by seeing the first use case, what you are understanding? No worries, whatever you are understanding, that's it. Either it's correct or wrong, no worries. What you understand? Swapna, Swati, Swati, Snehal, anyone. The people are
We
very
need to
silent.
declare the variables. For example, a equal
Yes, yes.
to 10 or b equal to 10. Then we can
Yeah. Please
Print here.
be, yes. Yeah, everyone, please be speak. No worries. Either it's right or wrong. No
First, we
worries.
have to assign the value for integers
Yes, Swapna is
so
getting
that
good.
any logical operation will be done so that the
Yes,
value will come after.
yes, Swapna. Yeah, good. Okay, now let me try to write Apex class, new Apex class 2. I think it is showing error. Like, let me try to delete it. Unnecessary Apex classes I created previously. Navigate to home, Apex classes. Prakash is very silent. Prakash, are you understanding? Prakash,
Yeah, partially.
partially or feeling difficult?
I'm definitely feeling this.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
even Devadas.
yes. Devadas. Yeah, I think
Knowing.
it's like some language you're thinking. Don't think that after completion of the class, practice once. Okay, practice once. I'll
Yes,
show
sir.
you, okay, how we can retrieve the codes, whatever it may be, I'll show you. As compared to configuration, this thing's only easy because if you type it the things, just you need to copy paste the code. Only you need to modify the some rectifications. If it's a configuration, everything you need to develop everything from scratch. And deleting these classes, no worries. Let me try to create Apex class. Click on file, new Apex class, public static void. Okay, just I'm using this particular method. Method name, anything, method name. This logic is for every program, this logic still here it is same. After that only it will be modified. So what I need to do, I need to declare two variables. I need to declare two variables. Integer, first number is equal to 10 and second number is equal to 20. Okay, I need to perform like addition, okay, addition. It is a third number because if I declare, just I'm writing the logic. Third number is equal to
So Venkat,
first.
even we can give integer a equal to 10, b equal to
We
20,
can give,
something like
we
that.
can give, we can give variables name anything. It's your wish.
Okay.
Yeah, here you can give. They have us. Just normal I'm giving. Yeah, don't mind it. And they have us. And you can give anything. They have us three. So can I give like this only? They have us. Plus they have us two. For understanding purpose, I given first name plus second number. I think it is difficult. Let me try to make the first number only. Because some naming conventions. It will be feel good. Second number and third number. Copy this third number. Copy this first number. Copy the second number. System.debug. Okay, I'm printing system.debug of third number. You can able to see the output. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Let me try to pass. This is Apex class 2 and method 2, dot method 2. Okay, no need to pass any parameters from the execute anonymous window because I declared the data inside the Apex class 2. Click on execute. Execute button. What is the output I'll get? Pooja. What is the output I'll get?
30.
Pooja is not
30.
30.
Third
Yes,
number is
yes.
Third
30.
number 30.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, 30. I think I seen interaction. Okay, as compared to yesterday, definitely the people are feeling somewhat easy. Same thing, it will be continued if you are continuously practicing. Third number. Okay.
But Venkat, I'm having doubt regarding
Yes,
class.
please.
You
Yes.
in the debug session Apex program you have written like class 2, right? But here
Which one?
it is
Where?
only class.
Where?
Yeah. in the debug Apex class 2 method.
Yeah, here the name of the class is Apex class 2. That's why I given Apex class 2. Okay,
But
here the
in
name of the
public
method
class,
is
only public class is there now. There.
yeah, public class. I did not understand your point, Swapna.
Okay, okay. Apex class 2. Actually, I don't know like a public class and Apex class 2. These things are I'm not getting. Public static, where to start and where to ending.
Exactly. These things will be covered in upcoming classes concept. But yesterday also someone asked me, okay, like when you are creating an Apex class, okay, there is some syntax. Okay, there is some syntax. Public class class name. Okay, when you started the Apex programming, you need to give the class name. Class name. Automatically, the syntax will become. You can able to see. Okay, let me try to click on file, new, Apex class. For example, if I give an Apex class 3, automatically the syntax is reflecting. Are you able to see everyone? Click on OK. Still now everyone is clear? Still now everyone is clear?
Yes.
Okay, done.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, the next thing means we need to create a multiple methods. Okay, so here inside the method we need to write the logic, not inside the class. Not inside the class, inside the method you will write the logic. Okay, inside the method you will write the logic. Public static void. So there is some syntax. Method name. You can give any of the method name, anything. Either you can take another method also. Okay, this is a first method. You can declare any number of methods. Public static void as per the requirement you can declare. Method name one. Okay, you can give any of the method names. Okay, here as per the requirement you'll write all the logics. When you're executing the thing, class name dot. When you're executing the code, class name dot method name. Yes. Now you are clear, Swapna?
Yes,
Swapna.
Venkat. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, copy this code. Let me try to place in the developer. Yesterday I given some word file.
Venkat,
Yes, please.
1 minute. One minute.
Yes. Yeah. Anything? Yes, please
Concept.
continue.
Venkat. Loops concept.
Huh?
Loops
Which?
concept. You said na increment decrement. It's used in loop for loop in
Yeah, we can
Java.
use. We can use. Yes. We can use in Apex programming also. After completion of this, I'll start for loop for each loop these things. Yes, we can use. I'll tell you. Yeah, it will be used. Yeah, of course.
Venkat, yesterday you were about to tell about the attachment blob, no?
Attachment block I want to discuss in LWC. Yeah, in LWC. Now, if I
Okay,
show also
fine.
attachment is also one of the data type. Okay, but it will not
Okay,
show. And attachment is
okay,
also one of the data type. If I discuss it, this means the people will feel difficulty. That's why I did not discuss.
okay, fine, fine. No problem.
Attachment block these things. Yeah. For example, just imagine, okay, like Saronika Swapna is a developer. Okay, like I'm being going to paint. Okay, this is my LWC component. This is my LWC component. Okay, for the user. Okay, for the Puja is a user. Okay, Puja is a user. Like Puja is entering the first name as well as the last name, and she clicked on the submit. When she clicked on submit, I need to receive the parameters. Apex class will receive the parameters. Maybe Puja will enter anything. Apex class will receiving the parameters. Apex class will receive the parameters. How it will receive the parameters? Okay, let us see. Okay, so you can mention integer. No need to declare. Okay, here dynamically you can assign. No need of declaring here. Okay, so we'll assign from the execute anonymous and in real time we'll receive from the LWC component. When I'm displacing LWC, then I'll connect this programming with LWC. You can able to see it is showing invalid character, so many issues. Here I need to assign integer. How many parameters it is receiving? Two parameters it is receiving. Okay, one is first number and second is second number, integer second number. You can pass any output here. You can pass 40 comma 50. Immediately 90 will be printed. 40 comma 50. 40 will be assigned to the first number, 50 will be assigned to the second number, and logic will be printed as per the requirement whatever you return. I modified some code. Execute. Let me try to click on execute. Click on debug only. Yes. This is the thing. Everyone able to understand what is the difference between previous and now?
Yes.
What is the difference? What is the difference?
Instead of writing the numbers in integer values, so in the Apex code only you have written.
I
Here
received
we
the
are giving
parameters.
values dynamically.
Yes, dynamically. Yeah. In real time, the things will be dynamically. Okay, dynamically, not in Apex class. In the real time, we'll use like this only. Okay, let us follow the real time things only now because now I followed it like this. Like whatever the things which you are teaching, the same pattern you'll follow. Okay, the same pattern you'll follow. That's why let me try to take every time dynamically only. Okay, mostly let us take dynamically every time from now onwards. Write an Apex program to define the two integer values and perform. They are saying that I need to perform all the mathematical operations. Like I need to perform addition, subtraction, multiplications. Like that I need to perform. Let us see. I need to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication. Third number. Okay, first number plus second number. It is addition. System.debug of addition is recording is going on. Yeah, it is going on fine. And now we'll get subtraction. System.debug of okay, after that addition, subtraction, then multiplication. First number into second number, multiplication. After multiplication, let me try to create some other things. Division. First number by second number, division. And so we have third number, and also we have other things. Reminder. How we are performing? Everyone know division operation, like 4 by 2. How we are 4, 2. Sorry, 2, 4. 2 2 4. Yeah, like everyone will think that I started with maths. Okay, maths is related to the this coding and maths. It's been interrelated. Okay, it is a division as well as a remainder. Let's see the what is a remainder. Okay, one is remainder and one is division. Yeah. Okay, first number. So normally other languages will give like this, but Salesforce does not support like this. Okay, Salesforce does not support like this. It will indicate it as a mod, math.mod. It will raise some conflict here under 21st line. Everyone able to see? It is not a valid type. Everyone able to see? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat, I
Yes,
can see.
Venkat, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We can.
So need to mod math.mod. Remember these functions, okay? Then it will be easy for you. Don't by heart, just practice once. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, just let me try to pass. First number 4. Okay, this is the first number and this is the second number. You can able to see 4 comma 2. I'm going with small numbers. Click on execute button. You can click on debug only. Yes. Everyone able to see the division is 2, remainder is 0. Division is 2, remainder is 0. Okay, so from this thing, division is this particular thing. Division. And this is remainder. Remember this thing. Yeah, this is the thing. I hope it's fine for today's class. I discussed some more things in today's class. Let me try to continue the tomorrow class and let's discuss some more other things and explore a little bit on this development step by step, step by step. Okay. Like tomorrow, let's see if else statements. Let's see some more conditionals. Okay, switch statements. Let's see tomorrow class. This is about today's class team. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye. I'm stopping the recording and I'll upload the notes also.